it once again.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? Let me to introduce myself. My name is Ica Meka Saputri. You can call me Ica with the spelling I-T-J-E. Spelling is difficult to read because people often read the wrong way. For example, itje or itje, because for Indonesian people, this is an old spelling. But even though it's hard to read using ordinary spelling, you know what? My name can be read correctly using two types of writing, namely Hangul and Phonetic. But at this time, I would like to invite you to get to know about the sound of phonetic consonants. In phonology, consonants are divided into two, namely voiceless and voiced. The first part, let's talk about voiceless. There is no vibration in the vocal cords when we say it. Okay, let's begin. P, p, p. Example, pen, push. Th, th, th. Example, time, test. K, k, k. Example, cat, cook. F, f, f. Example, family, father. F, f, f. Example, mouth, thief. S, s, s. Example, smile, see. Sh, sh, sh. Example, show, shop. Ch, ch, ch. Example, cheap, chair. Ha, ha, ha. Example, hat, here. For my name, it can be written as Iche. Exactly right? Yes, I love phonetic. Is it clear? Okay, we got to the second part, voiced. There is vibration on the vocal cords when you say it. Touch this. B, b, b. Best, big. D, d, d. Down, die. G, g, g. Garden, game. V, v, v. Seven, very. The, the. Then, that. The, the. Zero, size. Je, measure, pleasure. J, juice, June. W, well, way. L, learn, live. Morning, uncle. Me, moon. N, nine, nice. R, really, wrong. Y, yes, year. So, you already know the difference. Is it clear? Any questions so far? No? Very simple and easy, right? Okay, that's all my explanation about the sounds of phonetic consonants. Thank you for watching. I hope this useful for you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.